Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Check it out, we're going to do a quick video right now, and I'm going to show you this battle box. Now, if you don't know, this battle box is sent to this channel every single month by Battlbox. I've been doing a ton of videos about this, and if you want to check out more Battlbox, obviously check them out. I'll put the links down there, and again, you guys know this because we have done it so many times, but essentially Battlbox is a subscription box. You got different subscriptions here. We got them, and again, you could pick whichever you want to pick, and obviously every single subscription is going to mean whatever amount of money, right? So for the purpose of this video, we actually going to have the highest one, the knife of the month, and actually the knife of the month is a pretty decent one. When I saw it, I was like, wow, this is gorgeous, beautiful. I actually enjoy it very much. But again, you know what? Or I liked it very much. But again, big shout out to Battlbox that sent this to the channel. Some of you guys like this video, some of you guys don't like it. It is what it is. Just let me know what you think down in the comment section below, I guess. But with that being said, let's hit the intro and let's get started. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. Let me bring my face back here. Man, I love making videos and I love being part of this community. If you've been subscribed for quite some time, thank you so much. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and definitely let me know what you think in the comment section below. All right, so here's the box, and I'm going to show you item by item in a way. And again, all the items that are here are going to kind of, I guess, in a way, or will be part of a specific subscription. So now Battlbox have this book in here. It used to be a card, but now it's a book. But again, it doesn't really make it different. But it has a lot of information, and it does have a lot of what it is and stuff like that. That's kind of cool that it kind of gives you, again, kind of gives you some information for what it is. So let's look at the basic box first. And the first thing that we're going to have is going to be a Blaze Defend BDS 40 Fire 8 MK5. And they're giving this a value of $21. And this is what it is. I actually like it. When I saw it in the video that they put out, I thought it was pretty cool. It's kind of like a mini fire extinguishers or something like that. Fire suppression device. It's not supposed to be for electric fire. It says suppress flames, cool surfaces, non-toxic, environmentally safe, easy to use, and again, here's some of the things right there. But kind of cool, right? Because it's kind of small. Again, you can hold it just like this, easy to put in a backpack or something like that. So again, very very cool. I actually like this item a lot. It's about $21, and it's kind of good to put in any kind of pack or put it underneath your kitchen or something like that. The next thing is going to be this pouches right here. Battle Tag Mully Gear pouch. The perfect solution for having gear accessible with you. Magazine. Again, magazine, AR-15 magazines and things like that. Even their little fire extinguisher, if you see here, right here, it shows right there. So let me go ahead and find those so I could kind of give you, a closer look. And this is what you got right here. Let me put it on camera. So again, you got your basic molly that everybody's used to, right? You put it through your vest and things like that. And obviously you're going to have, again, a pocket right there. Let me take this out. I don't know exactly. I'm going to have to mess with this. But, all right, it's bungee. There we go. Little bungee right there. So, again, this is one of those things. It is what it is. I mean, if you need some of this, it's going to be beneficial. If not, it's not going to be as beneficial. Let me move some of the stuff out of the way right here because I know we have more, and this is another one right here. So we have two of them, and again, same concept right there. So this is going to be, again, this is going to be in the basic box. So we have the fire extinguisher, we have this, and we actually have this carabiners, which I thought they were awesome. Look at this. Yeah, this is actually very, very nice. It looks like really nice material as well. It says 2 packs, locking carabiners, approximately 5,500 pounds. I don't know about that, but you see the guy hanging right there. Very, very cool. And this thing is going to be valued at about $20 $2. So, I mean, this is kind of cool. I like these things. You could use them for many different applications. I mean, you could put your car keys, you could put your regular keys, you could attach a water bottle. You could do so many different things with this. I'm actually a fan of this thing. So, put that to the side. Basic box right here. We're going to have this other item that is hot snot fire starter. This right here. And apparently, I saw the video on this, but apparently, again, you use this to start a fire. One of the things about Battlbox, they're always sending you stuff to start a fire. They really want you to learn how to start a fire. But again, you open this up, you put a little bit of this lubrication right here, and it's supposed to be some kind of fire starter. You could light them up and all that. That's kind of cool. Again, kind of cool. I'm actually gonna go camping. Just in the very, very near future. So I'm going to bring this with me so I could try it out, right? So again, let me put this to the side right here. A couple stickers. You guys know the deal. We got this sticker right here, this card. This is cool. The moment that Manny saw it, Manny was kind of like, whoa, man, I really like this, and little Manny wanted to take it away from me. They're giving this a value of $12.99, but again, it's free to all. So you have this little sticker right here, which is very, very cool. So, all right, so that's going to be the basic box. Very, very basic. A couple items here that are pretty cool. One of the biggest thing is going to be this right here. That's pretty cool. And now we're going to go into the advanced box. I think we're only going to have one item, and I'm going to tell you, it's awesome. Look what it is. Bam, right here. This is a can, a gasoline can, right? And it says 5 liters. A 1.3 gallon is about $70, which, that's a lot of money. But then again, I'm pretty sure these things, let me open it up. Let me just come here. I'm pretty sure these things are not cheap. Not cheap at all. It looks like a fantastic quality. It looks like a really nice quality. I mean, this thing is great to put in a vehicle. Look at this. This thing is awesome, right? And it comes with the nozzle and all this stuff to set it up, right? So, man, this is actually very cool. I like this a lot. So, again, I'm probably going to put this on my truck, and you never know when you're going to need it, right? So, I like that they're giving this a value of $69, like I said. So, again, that's pretty cool. By the way, this is going to be mission 68, guys. And let me go into the next side. All right, so now we're going to go into the Pro Box. And this right here, when I saw this video right here, I was kind of like, all right, I see what it is. I see. I mean, it is what it is. It's one of those things that, once again, if you're going to use it, you're going to use it. But if you don't have a need for this, again, you don't have a need for this. The only cool thing for guys like me that kind of like show these videos, and, obviously I didn't pay for this box, right, is that I could use this stuff and give it away. And people love when I give this stuff away. But if I'm paying for this, if I'm paying the $100 and something, I would have been a little bit disappointed in me personally, because again, I don't need this. And it is a knife that is a really cool knife, but again, you see it right here. Is a Racer Manor knife. It's ideal for removing, essentially processing an animal. So again, it looks really, really cool, but I don't do much processing of no animals right here, right? So again, here's what it is, and kind of let me bring it up. So what you have is that you have this platform right here, and again, let me bring you closer. So you have this platform right here, and then this platform is going to be replaced with all these different types of blade, which are going to be right here, right? And this is the blades right there. So again, all these blades are going to be replacing that, and again, you're going to be able to, again, process an animal a better way, I guess. I mean, I'm not so much into this, but if you take this out, this is kind of going to be like the handle. And again, it's kind of going to it's going to go through here, right? So let me put it in camera. It's going to go through there. So it's kind of going to look like this, as you can see here in the video or in the paper. And you're going to be able to grab it, and then you're going to be able to process that animal, right? So again, it's one of those things that if you're in the need for this, it's kind of cool because you could use it. But if you don't really need this, it's one of those things that, all right, what am I going to do with this, right? So obviously somebody's going to be blessed. Somebody's going to be lucky to get this. And look, they actually gave me an extra blade, which is very, Very cool. And another blade right here, which is really, really cool, right? So again, somebody's gonna be blessed with that. So now the final thing, the final item here is gonna be the Battlbox box, and it's gonna be a knife. And man, this knife is pretty, very, very pretty. So let's open it up. I love when the same, nice knife right here. First of all, I'm kind of going to give it, I guess in a way, I'm going to give it a negative from the beginning. So let me put the knife right here. And you see the cover right there, right? And again, there's no clip. So it doesn't look that, it's like a beautiful knife with a crappy one. I know that you could get 550 core or something and put it through the holes and tied it up to a backpack or something like that. That's probably what I would do if I carry this. But again, it's such a nice knife. I love to have a clip. I love to have a removable clip that I could carry this knife or some kind of way to carry this knife. Because right here, I mean, this is cheap. So they doing this to kind of save some money, right? This plastic stuff. So when you take it out, which is a pain, here's what you got. Wow. Tell me this thing is not pretty. Yeah, this thing is gorgeous. Look at this. Wow. And I'm going to tell you, one of the things, check this out. You go like this, and then this portion is going to come out, which, again, this portion over here, don't kill me. I don't process animal or anything like that, but this is supposed to be to process animals, obviously. This part right here, I guess you could cut the sternal or the torso. You could take the skin some kind of way. Again, I don't know much about it, but it's kind of cool. This thing is like actually the jimping of the knife. Let me put it back. It's really quite simple to do it, I think. Let's see. There we go. And it clicks right there. So you see the jimping right there. I'm going to tell you, this just the ergonomics holding. I mean, I wish the blade right here will have some jimping because I kind of like being like this, and it doesn't have jimping. But just the ergonomics, just holding this knife. Wow, this knife feels really good. It feels like you could work with it. It feels like, I mean, it just feels like a very, very nice knife. And again, the company, let me bring the company over here. It's going to be a Revolt Riemann knife. I don't even know how to say that, but it's going to be valued about $119. $119 right there. So again, very, very cool. Really, really cool. I dig it. I'm going to tell you guys, I mean, this knife is just gorgeous. Look at that. Wow. So very, very cool. Look at this thing. Give you a closer look. I like it. I like it. Wow. Let me put it like this. Look at that. Wow. This thing is gorgeous. I love it. Anyways, what do you guys think? Let me know what you think with this box. Again, appreciate everybody watching. Appreciating the support. Appreciate everything you guys do for the channel. What do you think about this month's box? Again, share your comments down below. And as always, God is in control.